Hi everyone, welcome back to the Spanish Spot, where learning Spanish is fun and easy. Today we're going to learn the seasons in Spanish. There are 4 seasons, just like in English. Let's practice them together. La primavera, spring. In Spanish, spring is la primavera. Example, en la primavera hay flores. In spring, there are flowers. El verano, summer. En verano, hace calor y vamos a la playa. In summer, it's hot and we go to the beach. El otoño, fall or autumn. In Spanish, fall is el otoño. Example, en el otoño las hojas caen. In fall, the leaves fall. El invierno, winter. En invierno, hace frío y puede nevar. In winter, it's cold and it can snow. Review time. Let's repeat all 4 seasons together. La primavera, spring. El verano, summer. El otoño, fall or autumn. El invierno, winter. Great job! Now you know how to say the seasons in Spanish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Spanish Spot with friends who want to learn Spanish too. See you next time. Hasta luego.